It might seem really ironic that as a binge eating therapist, I have food in almost all of my videos, but here's why. Binge eating is so psychological. If it wasn't psychological, then it would be as simple as just cutting out the food, but we know that doesn't work. Obviously, there's a lot of healing that needs to happen when it comes to recovering from binge eating, and part of that healing is getting comfortable with all foods. And if I can't get you okay with just seeing foods, then how am I ever gonna get you to be okay with eating these foods? I also never want you to think that I tell you to eat all of these foods and I don't personally eat them myself. Now, I can't speak for every therapist and dietitian on here, but that is why I have food in my videos.